Everything is energy. I'm sure you've heard this phrase many times by now, and if you're on social media, probably at least 1,000 times a day. But it's true. So you can stop that internal dialogue and just come to terms with the fact that everything is energy, including physical matter. All scientists agree that everything smaller than an atom, which is the substance and the building block of all of physical matter, everything smaller than an atom is just energy. What does that mean? What are the implications for us? That means that the physical body is just energy too. And energy travels on waves. Waves have a crest and a trough. A wave cannot be a wave without a crest and a trough. Thank you, Alan Watts. So when you're at the crest of the wave, life is great. Everything's beautiful. You got money in the bank. You got love. You got fun. You got excitement in life. You're enjoying life. Then something happens and we apply judgment to it and we resist the actual happening. And then our mood switches and our perspective changes and we believe that we start heading down the wave. And while it's true that we are heading down the wave, how deep we head down the wave is entirely up to you. Some people move in waves like this, with a great disparity between the crest and the trough. Other people move in waves like this, where there's less disparity between the crest and the trough. Other people move like this, where there's even less disparity between the crest and the trough. The difference between this and this and this is the resistance to what is. So my advice to you is when things are going in a manner that you have not expected, or things are going in a way that you have not planned, instead of judging it and getting upset about it, allow yourself to just surrender and accept what is. Trust God, trust the universe, and just surrender to the process of this wave. And before you know it, you'll be at the crest of the next wave in no time. But the more you resist that downward motion, that descent on the other side of the wave, guess what? The deeper that wave goes, because you're resisting and resisting and resisting. What happens is you might just get stuck in the trough of the wave. But if you don't resist and you allow that momentum to carry you down the other side of the wave, and through that descent, with all that motion, you get scooped through the trough with assistance heading back up to the crest of the next wave. So my unsolicited advice to you is do not resist. Just trust. Surrender to the process of the wave. We are all energy. Happy surfing.